What is a warrant? See, warrant is an instrument which is nothing but an option. Warrant is an instrument which is nothing but it's an option. And who gets this option? So many times, what companies do to reward their shareholders, in case for some reason they are not able to pay dividend, they are not able to give bonus shares for some reason, what they do, they issue warrant to their shareholders. Now, what this warrant contains? This warrant contains a right. What right? Right to get certain number of equity shares of that company in future on a given date. On a given date. So that is your warrant. Now, warrant is a right, as you can understand. And why it is a right? How it is a right? Because warrant is number one given to the existing shareholders. It is always given on a rights basis. So the warrants will be issued to the existing shareholders on pro rata basis. So meaning of the pro rata, as the rights shares are issued on pro rata basis, as the bonus shares are issued on the pro rata basis, likewise warrants are also issued on a pro rata basis. So that means all the shareholders of the company, in case if company decides to issue warrants. Now warrants were very commonly issued in 80s and 90s, 80s and early 90s. Nowadays I don't hear any company issuing warrant, but it was quite common. It was it was quite common in 80s and 90s for companies to issue warrant. So that is a right where the existing shareholder will get the warrant, and it will be on pro rata basis. That means depending on the number of shares that he is holding, he'll get the warrant, and that warrant will entitle him to get fresh shares of the company on a pre-decided date, where the price can also be decided in advance, or the formula can be decided in advance for the pricing to be done in future. So that is a warrant. Warrant is an option issued by a company to buy a stated number of shares of stock at a specified price. Are generally, yes.
You said warrant it's issued to existing shareholder.
Hmm.
How does it differ with the right and bonus shares? The existing shareholder can also get bonus shares or right shares.
Huh.
So warrant उसमें कैसे आ गया?
No, I didn't get your question, Puneet. Can you please repeat it?
My question is, what is the similarity or difference between warrant vis-a-vis the right issue and bonus issue?
Okay, I understand. देखो,
Because the existing shareholder, warrant is issued to the existing shareholder.
yeah,
So
yes,
existing shareholder को right issue शेयर मिलता है और bonus शेयर में मिलता है.
right. Okay, तो ये क्या है पुनीत? देखो, बोनस शेयर्स इज ओनली अ पेपर ट्रांजैक्शन. Bonus share is only a paper transaction. And why it is a paper transaction? Because what the company is doing, company is simply capitalizing its reserves. So by issuing the bonus shares, company is just converting the reserves into share capital. So when a company issues the bonus shares, what does it do? It just passes an entry. What entry? Reserves account debit to share capital account. तो बोनस में कंपनी को कुछ पैसा मिलता नहीं है. बोनस में खाली शेयर होल्डर्स को एक्स्ट्रा शेयर्स मिलते हैं विदाउट पेइंग एनी मनी. ही फील्स वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट. उसको लगता है कि कंपनी के शेयर मिल रहे हैं फोकट में, और उसको ये मालूम नहीं है कि अल्टीमेटली वो सब वैल्यूएशन में इकट्ठा हो जाता है, तो उसको ज़्यादा कुछ फ़ायदा मिलता नहीं है. पर यह कि हाँ, फ्यूचर में जब कंपनी की परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी होती है तो उसका इम्पैक्ट उसको बाद में मिलता है. So that is your bonus share. What is a rights issue? A rights issue is currently company is in need of money. Currently company is in need of money for the project or for the working capital or for any other purpose, whatever it may be. So what company has to do? Company has to take a decision. What decision? Where to get this money from? So what are the options to get this money from? The option number one is to get from the existing shareholders. Option number two is to come out with an IPO. So obviously, who are the owners of the company? The shareholders are the owners of the company. So if the shareholders collectively decide that why you want to raise money from the outside, we existing shareholders are willing to fund your additional funds requirements. So issue the rights issue. So what the company does, they issue a rights issue, and by way of a rights issue, the existing shareholders will subscribe for those rights issue. Existing shareholders will get shares, and they will pay money, and company will get money, and company will be able to meet its financial requirements with the money which is coming from the rights issue. Now number three, company does not have any immediate funds requirement. यानी कि आज की तारीख में कंपनी को पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है, और लेकिन आज की तारीख में कंपनी बोनस भी नहीं दे सकती, आज की तारीख में कंपनी डिविडेंड भी नहीं दे सकती. तो शेयर होल्डर्स को तो खुश रखना है, तो शेयर होल्डर्स को खुश रखने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? सो फॉर कीपिंग द शेयर होल्डर्स हैप्पी, एंड कंपनी ऑल्सो नोज कि 3 साल के बाद उनको पैसे की जरूरत पड़ेगी या 2 साल के बाद उनको पैसे की जरूरत पड़ेगी. तो व्हाट द कंपनी विल डू, कंपनी विल इश्यू वारंट्स टू द एग्जिस्टिंग शेयर होल्डर्स कि भैया ये हम आपको वारंट दे रहे हैं. नाउ दिस विल एंटाइटल यू to purchase 2 shares of the company, 3 shares of the company, 4 shares of the company आज से 2 साल के बाद में at a prefix price or price based on a prefix formula. So that is what is decided. So 2 साल के बाद depending on how is the performance of the company, the warrant holders will take a decision कि whether to exercise the option or not to exercise the option. तो अगर वारंट होल्डर्स को लगता है कि भाई जिस प्राइस पे हमको शेयर मिलेंगे वो प्राइस कम है जो आज की तारीख में कंपनी की मार्केट प्राइस है शेयर की, दे विल एक्सरसाइज द ऑप्शन. लेकिन अगर उनको लगेगा कि जो मार्केट प्राइस इज लोअर देन द एक्सरसाइज प्राइस, देन दे विल नॉट एक्सरसाइज द ऑप्शन. सो इन दैट केस कंपनी विल नॉट गेट अ मनी. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द बोनस शेयर्स, राइट शेयर्स एंड द वारंट्स.
Correct.
I hope that answers your question, Puneet. Okay, so they are generally detachable with that of preference shares. Most warrants are detachable and can be traded separately, independent of the underlying security. तो अभी देखो, ये जो आपको वारंट दिया जाएगा, ये वारंट आपको दिया जाएगा बेस्ड ऑन योर इक्विटी शेयर होल्डिंग, पर ये वारंट का सेपरेट ट्रेडिंग हो सकता है. समझ के लीजिए वारंट का ट्रेडिंग सेपरेट कैसे होगा, ध्यान से सुनिए. अगर आप ये वारंट को एक्सरसाइज करते हो तो आपको एक शेयर मिलेगा. वो आपको कितने का मिलेगा? वो आपको 200 रुपये का मिलेगा. और आज की तारीख में कंपनी की जो मार्केट प्राइस है वो 225 रुपये है. तो आपके वारंट की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई एवरीबॉडी?
25 रुपये का प्रॉफिट हो गया.
25 रुपये का प्रॉफिट हो गया. तो इसका मतलब आपके वारंट की क्या वैल्यू है? आपके वारंट की वैल्यू है 25 रुपया.
25.
Isn't it? So if you want to sell it to somebody, can you sell it?
Yes.
Okay. At what price will you sell it?
At 25 at least.
No. You will not sell it for 25, because if you sell it for 25, what is the benefit the buyer will get? At 25, the buyer will not get any benefit because he is paying you 25 rupees and he will pay 200 rupees for the share. That comes to 225, and the share is quoting today at 225. So he doesn't gain anything. So you will have to sell it at below than 25. Lower than 25. Okay, lower than 25. So these warrants can be traded on a stock market. Can be traded on a stock market, and the price will be decided by the market, but it will always be less than the difference between the issue price of the new share and the current market price. Are you with me, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is your detachable warrant.
then the company will charge something, sir, for issuing the warrant.
Huh? Say it again.
Whether the company charges something to issue the warrant to the
No, no, no,
shareholders
no, no, nothing, 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 nothing.
at the time of issuing.
No, 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 no charge. It is given free of cost. It is an incentive. It is an incentive to the shareholders to keep them interested in the company. आप बोनस भी नहीं दे रहे हो, आप डिविडेंड भी नहीं दे रहे हो, तो शेयर होल्डर्स को लगता है कि दिस कंपनी इज नॉट investor friendly. So just to show the image of being an investor friendly, so just to project the image of the company as an investor friendly company, what they will do, if they're not paying dividend, if they're not able to pay bonus
Okay.
shares, then they will say okay, warrant ले लो. अब वो warrant becomes an advantage in the hands of the shareholder. shareholder को क्या लगता है कि मुझे ये मिल रहा है, आज की तारीख में वारंट मिल रहा है, 2 साल के बाद मुझे 200 रुपये में शेयर खरीदने को मिलेगा कंपनी का. और उस समय अगर मार्केट प्राइस कंपनी के शेयर की ज़्यादा रही तो डिफरेंस इज गोइंग टू बी माई बेनिफिट. So that is why he feels happy that I am getting at least something from the company. I am not getting dividend, I am not getting bonus shares, but I am getting a warrant which has a potential of earning some gain in future. So that is why company does not charge anything for issue of the warrant.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Good. It is a long-term right. Both money and the warrant are exchanged for the common stock. The minimum price of a warrant is equal to 0 until stock price rises above the warrant exercise price. समझ सकते हैं जो मैंने एग्जांपल दिया आपको.
Yes.
एक्सरसाइज प्राइस 200 रुपया है और मार्केट प्राइस 150 रुपया है. वारंट की वैल्यू क्या होगी?
50.
हाँ 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 हाँ. एक्सरसाइज प्राइस इज 200 रुपीज.
Exercise by 200.
मार्केट प्राइस इज 150. वारंट की वैल्यू क्या होगी? जीरो.
होगी, sir?
जीरो जीरो.
Yes, yes, yes.
Zero.
Minus में annual है.
हाँ हाँ. मार्केट प्राइस 190 है, स्ट्राइक प्राइस 200 है. बॉन्ड की वैल्यू क्या होगी? वारंट की वैल्यू क्या होगी? जीरो जीरो. तो वारंट विल हैव अ वैल्यू only when the market price of company's share is in excess of the strike price of the
Yes.
warrant. So that is how it is. Investors are willing to pay a premium for warrants because only a small loss is possible, whereas the return potential is quite high. Why the term common stock and preferred stock are called? Any idea? Just a question. You know, equity shares are called as common stock and preference shares are called as preferred stock. You know why is that so?
It is tradable easily. That's why.
Yeah, because common stock is called as common stock because they have a common right, and preferred stocks are called preferred stock because they have a preferential rights.
Right.
So preferential rights because they will have a preference in payment of dividend, and they will have a preference in terms of redemption in case of liquidation also actually. So that's the reason why this is a question which has got nothing to do with your exam. It just came to my mind and I just thought to share it with you as a general information. Common stock, preferred stock. Why an equity share is called common stock? Because this is the terms of the issue are common, and preferred stock because they have a preference in getting the dividend and the redemption in case the company goes in for liquidation. Okay friends, so with this we come to the close of this topic on the valuation of assets and the other assets and financial assets and liabilities, and now we come to the question of how to do the valuation of options. How to do the valuation of options. Okay, now before we move forward, both of you, please tell me what do you understand by valuation of option pricing? What do you understand by option pricing?
Option pricing.
का मतलब क्या है?
The option price is that the at which the option are sold, that is the option. If the call option, if the company is issuing the call option, then what should the premium the company should charge? That is the option price.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
The option price is the premium charged by the company
Okay, okay,
at the
very good.
time of issuance of the call option or put option. I
Okay,
think that is the option price.
okay, good, good, very good, very good, very good. Puneet?
No idea.
Okay, okay. So देखो, every option